my country and its leaders make me obedient and truthful.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country.
लाइफ इज लाइक अ मैथ। फ्रेंड्स को प्लस करो, दुश्मन को माइनस करो, गम को डिवाइड, खुशियों को मल्टीप्लाई और हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहो। इशिका, do you know math is a subject which is used in every subject, every day, in every work? Yes, Sriram, it's very true. Let us know the application of math from Ishika. Math is part of our life. Whether we clean the house, make supper, or mow the lawn, wherever you go, whatever you do, you are using maths daily without even realizing it. It just comes naturally. In many ways, we are using maths, such as while chatting on the cell, while mother is working in the kitchen, while gardening in many yards, while giving appointments in the diary, planning an outing and dinner parties, banking, decorating our home, statistics, etc. I know that this is our mentality, that only the word marks or numericals are used in our daily life. But it is wrong. When we look at our daily life, it is full of maths, such as if you are a fashion designer, an architect, even a common man also knows the formulas about area and perimeter. Even in machines also mathematics is used, such as in animators, in making of 3D images. In banking, the whole procedure is based on mathematics. Firstly, introduction of board marks. Board mark is a useful acronym that lets you know which order to solve mathematical problems or sums. Firstly, a general comment with regard to mnemonics. Our brains find it a little difficult, at least in short term, to remember more than 6 or 7 items. Mnemonics can help by bundling several items into one, which of course is much easier to remember. However, many, if not most mnemonics also require some sort of support information, without which the mnemonic is of little benefit. And so, it is with the board mark mnemonic and its variants, but more on that later. Now, we will show you to operate board marks practically. 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. 2 multiplied by 1 equals to 2. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Number. A number is a count or measurement. They are really an idea in our mind. We write or talk about numbers using numerals such as 5 or 5. These are different ways of the same number. There are also different types of numbers such as whole number, for example 0, 1, 2, 3. Decimal numbers, for example 1.48, 5.5, and fractions, for example 1 by 2, 2 by 8, and many more. In the ancient mathematics, space was a geometric abstraction of their dimensional shape observed in the everyday life. Axiomatic method has been the main method to justify. The method of coordinate analytic geometry was adopted by René Descartes in 1637. Geometry is the branch of mathematics concerned with question of shape, size, relative position of figures and the properties of space. A mathematician who works in the field of geometry is called a geometer. Geometry is about plane shapes like lines, circles and triangles. Solid geometry is about solid shapes like sphere, cube, etc. The likelihood of the occurrence of a particular event is called a chance. Different types of chances are unlikely event, an unlikely event, an equally likely event, an impossible event, and a certain event. Measurement is the assignment of numbers to the characteristics of an object or event, which can be compared with other objects or events. The scope and application of a measurement is dependent on this context and discipline. In the natural science and engineering, measurement do not apply to nominal properties of objects or events, which is consistent with the guidelines of the International Vocabulary of Metrology published by the International Bureau of Weights and Measures. Arithmetic is the oldest and the most elementary branch of mathematics. It consists of the study of numbers, especially the traditional operations between them, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The terms arithmetic and higher art were used until the beginning of the 20th century as synonym for number theory. Now, algebra. Algebra is a great fun. You get fun to solve puzzles. With algebra, you play with letters and numbers, and you get to find secret things. And once you learn some of the tricks, it becomes a fun challenge to work out how to skills in solving each puzzle. Data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, or even just description of things. The process of evaluating data using analytical logical reasoning to analyze each component of the data provided. Many events can't be predicted with a total certainty. The best we can say is how likely they are to happen using the idea of probability. Probability is the likelihood or chance of an event occurring. The word calculus comes from Latin word meaning small stone, because it is like understanding something by looking at small pieces. Differentiate the calculus cuts something into small pieces to find how it changes. It has two major branches. First, integral calculus and fundamental theorem of calculus. The history of statistics can be said to start around 1749, although time has been changes to do interpretation of word statistics. In early times, the meaning was restricted to information about statistics. This was later extended to include of all collection of information of all types, and later still it was extended to include the analysis and interpretation of such data. In modern times, statistics means both set of information as in national accounts and temperature records and analytical work which requires statistical inference. So once again, I thank everyone's time and best. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Jana